We're gonna head over to the build site and Joe is gonna show me how to work the skid steer. Tag came over and showed him, and now he's gonna give me a lesson. So this is exciting. You just set your phone down.
All right, we're heading over. You're recording. I was going to pretend I was recording.
You were going to say everything I just said?
Yeah, that was my plan. But failed. Some briars here. This is where you get it. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're going.
Oh.
All right, open the door, hop in. Dad made it look easy.
I know. It smells good in here.
I think you'll be good at it.
It smells like leather.
All right, you're in there. How's it feel?
There's a lot going on.
There is. So, first, put on your seatbelt. You can do this in time lapse if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now you got that big bar above your head. Pull that down over you. Because that's all your safety stuff. Should be able to push it with your strength. Yeah, there you go. All right. Now, the green button on your right looks like the engine, one right above it. Yep, hit that. Okay, now on the computer, you're gonna have to punch in your code. Hit the enter button. And then hit the green button again. Hold it down, I mean. All right, started it. Now, hang on one second. So go ahead and go back, press it back. Go left, right, turn around. All right, that one's your bucket. Now, if you go left and right, that'll give you tilt and raise on your bucket. Yep. So just do that a couple times so your body, like playing a musical instrument. And the slower you do it, obviously, the more controlled it is by barely touching it. All right, and then with your left hand, you'll be driving. And so you want to turn it that way and go that way and turn back around and start back behind you. Go ahead. Go forward. You're doing awesome. You're doing awesome. Just play around. Get used to it. Try and drive down by the big pile down there and dump this load that you have in there. And then come back. Make sure I'm away from you. And I'll watch you. There's Jess on the Bobcat. There's Jess on the Bobcat. Come on back now. perfect. Leave it right there and just drive straight. That's perfect. You got a good pitch on it. I just say leave it and drive it straight. Now she's making a road. Just Bobcat, man. It's out of the controls. Figured she'd probably be able to do it better than most.
That was fun. I got to actually drive the skid steer and move some earth. We're headed to our friend's house for dinner now. So we'll be back.